Hello and welcome to Muay Boran Academy. Boran Academy is going to be a place where we're going to be showing you Muay Boran techniques in a very practical way, from beginner to intermediate all the way to advanced levels. While Muay Boran can be considered to be very artistic, flashy, and fancy way to do Muay Thai techniques, we'd like to see it more as more of a fighting and self-defense way of using Muay Thai. Outside and then punch for Insakwanja. If I hit the solar plexus enough, I could also knock the wind out of him right here. So let's see, he throws a punch, bam, right here, boom. There are many more techniques in Muay Boran because of the fact that it was created before Muay Thai became a national sport. So while the strikes are very similar, there are many more techniques that exist in Muay Boran because of the fact that there's bare knuckle fighting. There were no rules. You can strike without gloves. In fact, you did fight without gloves on. Straight down the crotch right here. Boom, boom, bam, and then follow up. You can do whatever you need to do to win a fight, including grabbing, throwing, sweeping, breaking, choking. Wherever the fight needs to go, you can apply Muay Boran techniques. And so we are here to feature the practical aspect of Muay Boran, not just how it was used in the past or in ancient days, but how it can be applied in today's fighting environment. So please subscribe to us and join us so that we can share with you our knowledge of Muay Boran and keep this ancient martial art alive and well.